Hi, welcome back. Today we're going on an adventure to discover awesome adjectives. Ready to make our sentences super cool? So what's our mission today? We'll find out what adjectives are, why they're like secret power-ups for our sentences, meet different types of adjectives, and see lots of examples. Let's go. First, let's remember our friends, the nouns. Remember, they are words for people like you, places like our school, animals like your pet, and things like your favorite toy. Adjectives love to hang out with nouns. Okay, the big question. What is an adjective? They are describing words. Think of them like magic paintbrushes. You have a noun like cat, meow, and poof, the adjective adds details. Now it's a small black cat. See? More details. Why bother with these describing words? Because they make sentences fun instead of just the dog ran. Kinda boring, right? We can say the big brown dog ran fast. Wow, much better. It paints a picture in our head. First type, descriptive adjectives. These are super common. They tell us what kind. Is it red, big, round, or maybe happy or yummy? So many ways to describe. Let's see them in action. The yellow sun, a tall building, a delicious cake, my happy friend. See how they add info? Next up, quantitative adjectives. These answer how many or how much. We can use numbers like 1, 2, 3, or words like many, few, or some. Look, I see 3 birds. She has many toys. Can I have some water? Easy peasy. Now for pointing words, demonstrative adjectives. They answer which one? Remember, this for something close, that for something far. These for many close things, and those for many far things. Point with me. This, that, these, those. Let's try them. I like this song. Look at that airplane. These flowers smell nice. Can you see those clouds? You're pointing like a pro. Whose is it? That's what possessive adjectives tell us. Like my pencil, your smile. His shoes, her hat, its tail for animals. Our class, their home. They show who owns something. Last type for today, interrogative adjectives. These are question words that come before a noun. Like, what color? Which game? Whose bag? They help us ask specific questions. Woohoo! We learned so much. Let's quickly recap. Adjectives describe nouns. We have descriptive, what kind? Red, big. Quantitative, how many? Menace to, many. Demonstrative, which one? This, that. Possessive, whose? My, her. Interrogative, ask about, what, which, whose. Awesome job remembering. Now it's your turn to be an adjective all-star. Let's try some practice activities together. Do you have any questions for me? Ask away. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You did great.